棒棒棒棒棒棒棒棒棒的中文。Hello everyone, welcome to Bang Bang the Chinese. My name is Qilin. I'm your virtual Chinese teacher. From now on, I'll start making tutorials to help you speak like a native Chinese. Each episode will be around 2 minutes long, and you'll learn Chinese in a more authentic context setting. Let's start it! How do you say great in Chinese? 太棒啦！太棒了！太棒了！太棒了！太棒了 ！That's great！ 那太棒了 ！That 那 great 太棒了 ！My family is visiting me this weekend. I'm so excited! Wow， 那太棒了 ！How do you say awesome in Chinese? 太牛了！太牛了！哇，太牛了！太牛了！太牛了！太牛了！ You're awesome， 你太牛了。You， 你 awesome， 太牛了。You're awesome， 你太牛了。That's awesome， 那太牛了。That， 那 awesome， 太牛了。That's awesome， 那太牛了。Hey， 麒麟 ，That show was awesome， 你太牛啦。麒麟 ，The presentation was great， 你太棒了。谢谢。Okay， do you learn it？棒棒的 ！Send me an Instagram video to practice it. Leave a comment below and tell me what you think is 太牛了，太棒了。Thank you for watching my channel 棒棒的中文，拜拜。